I wanted to bring you a quick update on the virus situation where we work in Mexico. This past Thursday, the 6th of August, the death count in Mexico exceeded 50,000. That's double the death toll as of June the 25th. Also, as of Thursday, the total cases exceeded 460,000. Now, while some have speculated that here in the U.S., our numbers may be inflated, in Mexico, it's the opposite, with several studies concluding that their comparatively low testing rate means that there have been tens of thousands of deaths in excess of the official count, and vastly more cases. While the official tally of cases is just under 463,000, one infectious disease expert there says that the actual total may be nearer to 7 million. And not surprisingly, Mexico City leads the nation in both cases and deaths. Nearly 30 million people living in the greater Mexico City area. The federal government's coronavirus czar is saying that it's time to move to a second response phase to the pandemic, which will have a more long-term perspective. In this second phase of response, he says that they need to focus on balancing the containment of the virus spread on the one hand, with the reopening the country's economy on the other hand. He also recommends a review and improvement of the four-color stoplight system used to categorize the response measures of the different states in Mexico, taking into account the pushback that has come from some states' governors. He emphasizes that this is going to be a long haul, with no way to accurately predict when it's going to be over. This past week, the Pan American Health Organization was saying that they expected the virus to reach its peak in August. So it will get worse before it gets better. Needless to say, this has really hurt the Mexican economy, which relies pretty heavily on tourism. Their gross domestic product has already dropped a record 18.9% in the second quarter. And while some are optimistic about their recovery, others not so much. Needless to say, Mexico stands in need of your prayers. Please pray that the Lord will move graciously and powerfully to contain the virus. Pray that the churches will be able to meet again, and that the schools will be able to open again. Pray that, particularly in Mexico City and in the state of Michoacan, where we work, that the level will drop to orange, from red to orange, and then will drop to yellow, and that we will be able to make our trip there in late October. And pray that the Lord will use this time of uncertainty and trouble and turmoil to prepare the way for a great outpouring of His Spirit in that land, and that the church will grow and prosper to the glory of Jesus Christ. Thank you again for your faithful prayers.